Hey, Kyle here at Maple Systems. Today, I'll be showing one of our 10-inch Wi-Fi capable resistive touchscreen HMIs, the cMT3108XH. Let's take a look. Okay, this is what it'll look like when you first open the box. You'll see the warranty and then also the installation guide. Then there's the cMT3108XH, is wrapped in anti-static. It also comes with an extra protective screen cover inside. Put that aside for now. Then inside there's also some accessories. There are mounting clips and screws. And then there's also a USB stick clamp and tying strap. Now let's remove the HMI from the anti-static wrapping. Here is the cMT3108XH. It is a 10-inch resistive touchscreen, 1280 by 800 resolution. And it also has optional Wi-Fi capability. So you have the option of getting a Wi-Fi expansion module with this HMI. And I'll show you how you attach that module when we take a look at the back of the HMI. Now we're looking at the back of the HMI, and you'll notice that there are 4 screw holes here. These are 4 VESA 75 by 75 millimeter screw holes. Right here is the battery compartment. And then right here is the Wi-Fi expansion module connector. And then here is the actual module. So to attach this module, you have the module right here, and then you have to screw in the antenna into the module, and then you can attach the module to the HMI like this. And now you can have Wi-Fi on your HMI. This HMI also comes with a built-in mono speaker. So now let's take a look at the bottom of the HMI. So first right here is a detachable power connector for 24 volt DC power supply. Then you have 2 serial COM ports, which are DE9 serial COM ports. They are used for various serial protocols. Next to that is a USB 2.0 host port, which is used for uploading, downloading, and also used for extended memory. So it's used for backing up your files. Then finally next to that are 2 RJ45 Ethernet LAN ports, which are also used for uploading, downloading, and going online with your HMI, also used for various Ethernet protocols. Okay, now I want to power on the HMI. So I have a power supply that's going into the HMI, and I also have an Ethernet cable that is going to LAN 2 because later on I'm going to download a project from EBPro onto the HMI. I also left the M02 Wi-Fi module connected to the HMI because later on I also want to show you how you would enable your Wi-Fi in the system settings. So I'm going to turn on the power supply. First thing you'll see is the CMT series logo, and then it will load the demo project onto the HMI. So here's a demo project on the HMI. So in the bottom right corner is the actual cMT3108XH, and in the larger screen is VNC viewer. So I enabled VNC in the system settings on the HMI. So first I want to walk through some of the features in the demo project. So I'm going to use my mouse in VNC viewer, go to switches and lamps. Here you can turn a bit on and off, and then you can also toggle on and off. There is a multi-state switch. You can jog up and down, and it changes the word lamp state. Let's go home. Let's go to alarm. Here are some simulated alarms. Let's go to meters and bar graphs, and here you see some simulated meters and bar graphs. So you can navigate through this demo project once you receive your HMI. Now I want to walk through the system settings in the HMI. So to do that, in the top left corner, click the circular object. You can also use the resistive touchscreen on your HMI. So next, I need to enter an admin password to see all the settings in the HMI. So right here, this lock icon, click that. And then the password is going to be defaulted to 6 ones. So 111 111. And you can drop down the keypad and then click OK. So now you can see all those system settings. So I'm going to go back to my mouse and VNC viewer. So information, you can see your HMI information. You can see the IP address for your HMI. Now, I did mention that this now has Wi-Fi because I attached the Wi-Fi module. So you click the Wi-Fi tab. You can enable Wi-Fi connection, and if you click on the Wi-Fi connection, here are all the available Wi-Fis here for the network that I'm on. You'll have different ones of your own, of course. You can also enable a Wi-Fi hotspot. And then also in the information tab, you'll be able to see that Wi-Fi IP address when you connect to it. Code Assist, you'll need to have a separate license for this. General tab, you can adjust the brightness of your HMI. You have the option of turning your sound on and off, and you can show mouse cursor or show start button. Network, you can edit your IP address. Wi-Fi, I just went over, time and date. You can change your HMI name, clear history, project management, system password, you can change it from 6 ones to something of your choosing. Enhanced security, VNC setting, you can enable VNC. Easy Access 2.0, you'll need a separate license for. Language, input method, printer, OS upgrade, and then finally reset options. You can reset your HMI to default settings. That's all the system settings on your HMI. So now what I want to do, I want to download a project from EBPro onto the HMI. So let's go into EBPro. So in EBPro, I first want to show you the hundreds of driver protocols that are here and available for you to use. If you go to the Home tab, go to System Parameters, and click New Device/Server. If you click this arrow here under device type, you'll see all those driver protocols, Ethernet and serial protocols. You can also just click this, and then you can view all those protocols here. And then you would choose one and then click OK, and that'll be added to your project. Now I want to download this project to the HMI. So to do that, go to Project, go to Download. Make sure you have the correct IP address, select Runtime, you're downloading for the first time, and then click Download. And it'll take some time for the project to download to the HMI. It'll say Stop Project, Download CXOB. You'll see the cMT series logo. It'll say extracting, then it'll reboot the HMI. Then it'll say finish, and it will load the demo project onto the HMI. Well, that's all for today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on our HMI cMT line, you can always visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Also, be sure to watch the EBPro video training series located under the Support tab in the Video Center on the Maple Systems website. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.